You want to learn how to see old Google Maps Street View images on PC. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to Google Maps and then find your target. Let's say I go inside here and go all the way in. Click on this icon which says Browse Street View Images. Drag and drop it somewhere where these blue lines appear. Now we are inside this place in New York. And if I want to see old images of this place, this street, this current photo is of June 2022, and I want to see more dates. So I will click on this, see more dates, and it's going to show all the images that are taken before this date, and also the image that was taken recently, which is May 2024. Now I'll go back by dragging it to the right, and I can click on this April 2009, and it will show the image that was taken in April 2009. And I can go back and go to the left and show this May 2024 image. And this is the current image in 2024. So this is how you can view old Google Maps Street View images on PC. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.